Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making popcorn. So as you can see here, I have my butter in my dry pan, stirring it, allowing it to melt just a little bit. I added more butter here. So I'm pouring my corn now, like popping corn. This is not a regular corn. This corn is just for popcorn alone. Then add my sugar into it. And stir it and allow all the ingredients to combine. And cover it and keep turning it. Guys, you need to keep turning this thing like every 5 seconds, because if you leave it, it's gonna burn. And you won't like it when it gets burned. So keep turning it until it starts popping. As you can see, I can see some corn popping right here. So see, just trust the process. Keep stirring it. Just trust the process. Just keep turning it, because once you leave it, it's going to start burning. And yes guys, you have to use a non-stick pan for this. You can't use a regular pot. Emphasis on non-stick so it doesn't burn. So here, I think it's still popping here. We see how some corns popping. Just allow them to pop. Just keep popping until you notice it's not popping anymore. Then you know it's ready. Just keep popping. Wait for some seconds. Then about a minute to 5 minutes. Keep shaking it until you notice there are no longer any pop. Then you know your popcorn is ready. See, it's ready here. And I had this with my family. My kids love it so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.